everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed Cornish hens. Not only you can make it for a holiday dinner, but you can enjoy them all year long. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So now talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of chopped onions and a half a cup of chopped celery. And I'm going to continue to saute for 5 minutes until they're tender and clear. And I'm going to go ahead and season with sea salt and black pepper. And I'm going to add and continue to saute a half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. And this is the base that I'm going to use for the stuffing for the Cornish hens. And once everything is sauteed, just put it in a medium-sized bowl. And instead of using cornbread stuffing, I'm just going to add 1 cup of already cooked jasmine rice to the bowl and just mix everything together. And to add some sweetness and texture to the stuffing, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of dried cranberries and 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. And I'm going to season with some dried thyme and of course some sea salt and black pepper to taste. And that's pretty much it for the stuffing. And you just want to set it to the side and let's get started on the Cornish hens. And off camera, I went ahead and I cleaned 2 Cornish hens, and you want to make sure that you clean the cavity really good because you're going to go ahead and fill each cavity with that delicious rice dressing. So you want to pat the skin with a paper towel so that it can roast up nice and crisp. So next, drizzle just a little bit of olive oil over each Cornish hen, and then you want to brush it evenly so that when it roasts, the skin will turn out golden brown. But you want to make sure that it tastes really good, so you want to season with some sea salt, with some black pepper, and of course one of my favorites, garlic powder, and of course some onion powder. And I'm also going to sprinkle some dry thyme on top. Now before I put them in the oven, I'm going to quickly tuck the wings behind the back. And to add a little bit more richness, I'm going to add some butter on top so that when it melts into the skin, it's going to be even more delicious. And then you want to cover it very tightly with some aluminum foil. And I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and you want to let it bake between 45 and 50 minutes. After 50 minutes of baking in the oven, you want to take the foil off and you want to put the Cornish hens back in the oven and let them bake off for another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so out the oven, they are golden brown, and I'm just going to drizzle some of that broth on top to add even more flavor. And now I'm just going to cover it up with the foil and just let them rest for 10 minutes. And just like that, the Cornish hens are done and dinner is ready to be served. I mean, it's golden brown and it's perfect. And I know, at least for me, after Thanksgiving, I got a little tired of cornbread stuffing, so this rice stuffing is the perfect alternative. It is so good, but I couldn't even finish it in one setting. But trust me, give it a try, you will love it. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. It will push it through the algorithm so everybody can watch it. Share it with everybody that you know. Don't forget to follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.